Only certain versions of Windows come with built-in DVD players. Windows 10 and Windows 11 come with Windows Media Player. However, it does not support DVD playback. Maybe there's a DVD player hidden somewhere in the system. To be sure, let's check. When searching for a DVD player, nothing appears. So what's the solution? You can head to the Microsoft Store and find a wide selection of free DVD players. You may try any of them if you wish. I would recommend VLC Media Player. It's a versatile media player that can play any AV file you throw at it. You can download it from a Microsoft Store if you wish. However, it's recommended that you download the latest version from the official site. Head to the VLC official site and download the player. There are also downloads available for non-Windows operating systems. Here we'll download the Windows version. After downloading, go ahead and install it. Launch VLC and then go to the Media menu. Choose Open Disk. You'll be given 4 disk options. Select DVD. Next, browse disk device. Go to the drive where you've inserted your DVD is. Then hit the play button and your DVD will start playing. That's how you play a DVD on Windows 10 or 11 with a reliable DVD player.
Simply click the link below to learn more.